Hello everyone, and welcome to an English lesson. First Easy Sentences, Part 2. I'm at home. I'm at home. It's morning. It's morning. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm okay. I'm okay. How are you? How are you? I don't understand. I don't understand. It's cheap. It's cheap. It's expensive. It's expensive. It's fast. It's fast. It's slow. It's slow. It's far. It's far. It's near. It's near. This is tea. This is tea. That is a house. That is a house. I like it. I like it. Who are you? Who are you? Where is it? Where is it? How much is it? How much is it? Is it okay? Is it okay? He is tall. He is tall. She is happy. She is happy. We are friends. We are friends. Look at me. Look at me. Listen to me. Listen to me. Sit down. Sit down. Open the door. Open the door. Close the door. Close the door. Help me. Help me. See you soon. See you soon. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Call me. Call me. Tell me. Tell me. Let's go. Let's go. Why not? Why not? I'm at work. I'm at work. I'm at school. I'm at school. It's here. It's here. It's true. It's true. It's a lie. It's a lie. It's for you. It's for you. It's warm today. It's warm today. I'm sad. I'm sad. I'm in the car. I'm in the car. Come in. Come in. You look great. You look great. Turn it off. Turn it off. Turn it on. Turn it on. Come with me. Come with me. My new blouse. My new blouse. It suits you. It suits you. Thank you for watching. Great job today. Let's keep it up in the next video.